Hello guys, welcome to the John's Kitchen. My name is Kamarl. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most amazing oat milk at home. If you're into amazing food, then this is the channel for you. You may want to consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you get a little reminder every single time we drop that new video. Add your rolled oats into a jar of your choice, and you can spice it up by adding some different spices. Here we're using some cocoa powder, but use whatever you like. So I know there's quite a few recipes out there, in particularly on YouTube, that tell you to throw away this water. But honestly, I say don't throw away this water. You want to make sure you keep it because it has all the nutrients inside from the oats, and you want to make sure you reserve that in the actual recipe. So once you've given your container a nice shake, it's time to store it in the fridge for the next 4 to 6 hours. You want to make sure that once you take it out of the fridge, give it a shake again, and then you want to empty all of the contents into the blender and give it a nice blend. Try not to blend it for too long, otherwise it'll become quite slimy. So when you're straining the milk, you want to make sure you get yourself one of these little bad boys. It's called a nut bag. You can actually pick up one of these from Amazon, or you can, I guess, even if you look on the internet, you can find from another website. Super cheap, but it's very handy when you're straining your milk. So when you're actually straining your milk, just open the bag, put this into a container or a jug. Then you want to pour in your oat milk. Then you're going to use the string here to close it up. And then if you can hang it somewhere, that would be ideal, so it's strained nice and slowly. If you don't have somewhere to hang, just hold the top of the bag and gently squeeze. Don't squeeze too much once you've got a lot of the liquid out, because then it's going to become very slimy. The last little bit of residue that you have in the nut bag, you want to discard that. When pouring your milk into the nut bag, try not to overfill it, otherwise it will overflow and make a complete mess over your work surface like it did for me before filming this video. Once you have finished straining your oat milk, transfer it into a fairly large container. Then you can leave this in the fridge anywhere between 3 to 5 days. And that's it guys, we made it to the end of the video. If you found it useful in any type of way, remember to hit that like button and also smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you get a little reminder every single time we drop a new video. So have a good week guys, and we'll see you here for the next one. Peace out.